Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable performance mode to unleash the CPU's performance. Okay, so when performance mode is enabled, it adjusts the power settings to deliver maximum performance for scenarios like playing games and apps. Okay, so to turn on performance mode, just pull down the notifications, go into settings and scroll down until you see battery, select it, and here you will find performance mode. And it explains that it will optimize settings to deliver maximum performance, power consumption, and device temperature will increase. So when it's off, it's showing that I will have 19 hours and 6 minutes remaining on my battery. And once I turn it on, my battery will only have 18 hours and 18 minutes remaining. So the battery life is going to decrease by 1 hour and 2 minutes. However, I will get the best performance for playing games and also running applications. But yeah, guys, this is how you turn on performance mode to unleash the CPU performance on the Honor X7. Hope this video helped you out. If it did give it a thumbs up, share the video. If it's the first time you watch my videos on YouTube, please do hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.